Hey, hi everyone, this is Surya. Welcome to the course. So, let's understand the ACH credit with one use case. So, if you see, I mean, in this use case, we will be discussing how employer credit the salary in the employee's account. So, if you see in the first step, employer will create one ACH credit file and it will give the details to ODFI sponsor bank. ODFI or sponsor bank. Sponsor bank will convert that file into ACH format, which is acceptable by ACH operator. Once sponsor bank will submit the file to ACH operator, ACH operator will give a response that acknowledgement, you can say that I have received the file. Okay, so in fourth step what will happen, now after receiving the file, ACH operator will segregate on the basis of the bank, I mean destination bank, you can say employees bank, and file will go to the destination bank. Now what destination bank will do, destination bank will segregate the records of that file, and if it is a, I mean suppose x person has to be credited with the amount xyz and y person with the abc, then that amount will be credited. Okay, if at all amount is not getting credited, then response of that particular record will be recorded in the file, and a response file will be generated by destination bank. For suppose in fourth step, destination bank has received 400 records to credit the salary in the employees. Okay, employees means bank's customer. Okay, so suppose out of this 400, 399 they have created successfully, but one record due to, I mean whether I mean it can be the case that a account is freezed or account is closed or any other exception, due to that they are not able to credit that particular amount in the customer's account, then that particular record will be marked as a failed or not credited, and it all 400 will be captured in the file with 399 as a success case and one as a failure case, and record will be sent to ACH operator. Okay, so in seventh step, once ACH operator will receive the response from destination bank for this amount credit, uh, then ACH operator will again segregate the record and share back with their response to sponsor bank. Now what sponsor bank will do? Sponsor bank end of the day or whatever the, I mean reporting cycle of the bank with the their customer, I mean client, then in that cycle they will prepare the file in the agreed format, or you can say a report to its a client by saying that today this much amount got transferred to these many peoples, and here is the report for your reconciliation. Okay, so this is the report will be transferred for the reconciliation. So these are the, a basic, you can say, use case of ACH credit. It can be like, if you see in India, then people who are working in rural areas, like you can say Manrega. If you if peoples are working in Manrega or any other government scheme, and which government has to pay I mean predefined amount to a citizen, then in that case government will prepare the file, I mean whatever the format it can be, and it will be sent to government's I mean banker of the government, and that bank will prepare the file in the ACH format, and same process flow will happen as it is happening in the case of payroll. Okay, or salary credit. So these are the a basic example of ACH credit. And if you can see the ACH credit examples, then you can take a salary credit, or pension, and government vendor payments. Government also, I mean with the help of ACH credit can pay to its vendors. interest payment in your account, whatever interest payment is happening, whether it's a your PF account or any other account, or your whatever social schemes you have, that particular payments, payroll for private and government, dividends, or your tax payments, these kind of, I mean, these are the few examples of ACH credit that is, happening in nowadays payment cycle. Okay, so these are the basic examples of ACH credit. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you.